In this video, I'll show you how to find the difference between two dates in Knowi. First, I'll scroll down to the dataset, and I'll click Analyze from the widget. So in this dataset, I've got one column called Latest Inspection Date, which is the latest date that each of these restaurants were inspected for their health codes. I'm going to go and edit the Cloud9QL. And first, I'll create a second date column with today's date using a date token. So now I've got a column called Today, which is populated with the day's date at midnight. And now I'll create another field that has the number of days from the latest inspection date to today. And for that, I'll use the syntax DaysDelta. And then the first field here is the first date field, and today is the second date field. And then I'm just going to give this column name an alias as days since inspection. And now we've got a column with the number of days from today to the latest inspection day. The output will always be a positive whole number, calculating the number of days between the date fields, no matter which order you put the date fields in. But you can also find the hours, minutes, or months. So I'll give you an example with the hours here. So now we've got another column called hours since inspection, and this one's now calculated the number of hours since the inspection. If you ever forget that syntax for days delta, months delta, you can go into the Help tab here and click Docs Assist, and then ask the documentation AI assistant to help you with that syntax.